Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change visual theme on your HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this simple operation, we just have to find our themes application on the phone. This is our default. And we can choose from a few presets here. We have glorious black here, and we want to brighten our screen, for example, and apply. And it's done. As you can see, we have our theme changed. That's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.